What if I told you that one bite could transport you to the heart of autumn, where golden leaves dance in the breeze and the air smells faintly of roasted spices? This cheesy pumpkin casserole is not just a dish, it's an experience. Creamy, savory, and infused with the comforting sweetness of pumpkin, it's the kind of recipe that turns an ordinary evening into a seasonal celebration. The beauty of this casserole lies in its contrast. The pumpkin delivers that velvety fall essence, while a rich blend of cheeses adds a bold, indulgent twist. It's the perfect side dish for a Thanksgiving table, a cozy dinner with friends, or even as a standalone meal when you just need a hug in edible form. And the best part? It's surprisingly easy to make. For 6 generous servings, you'll need 4 cups pumpkin puree, about 1 medium pumpkin, roasted and mashed, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup heavy cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon ground nutmeg, ½ teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, ½ cup breadcrumbs, optional for topping, 2 tablespoons butter, melted. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine pumpkin puree, heavy cream, eggs, garlic powder, onion powder, nutmeg, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir until smooth. Fold in the cheddar and mozzarella, reserving a handful of each for the top. Pour the mixture into a greased baking dish. Sprinkle with the reserved cheese. Then, if you love a crunchy finish, mix breadcrumbs with melted butter and scatter over the top. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, until the edges are bubbling and the top is golden brown. The result is a casserole that's creamy inside, with a cheesy crust that's pure autumn bliss. The pumpkin's natural sweetness pairs beautifully with the sharp cheddar and mild mozzarella, while the spices give each bite a subtle warmth that lingers. Pro tip: roast your own pumpkin instead of using canned for a richer flavor. Simply have the pumpkin, scoop out the seeds, roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until tender, and mash. It's worth every extra minute. And if you want to add an extra layer of depth, toss in some crispy bacon bits or caramelized onions before baking. This dish is more than just food, it's the taste of fall in every mouthful. It's the kind of recipe you'll want to share, not just because it's delicious, but because it brings people together around the table. So, what would you pair with this cheesy pumpkin casserole to make the ultimate autumn feast?